No, less than.
Whatever. I'll just link last year's video.
What? Oh.
It looks the same. It's the same. Okay. So if at least is the same as no less than, at most is the same as no more than. I want no more than 3 kids. 1 is fine, 2 is great, 3 is pushing it, 4 is no good. No more than. This can be even more confusing because we literally have the words less and more, but the symbols that we're using are opposite. Okay? Dang, those were good examples too. It wasn't even whatever. Just re-say the whole thing. If it wasn't Thursday, I probably would, but we don't have time, and the worksheet is pretty robust. Okay. Have a good day, son. So, those are the tricky things we got to look out for. Sometimes it'll be even easier. Let's see. 2 times the number. What's another word for a number in this case?
A numeral.
What can I use in place of a number? A variable. 2 times the number is less than 8. Two times the number is less than 8. So, let's go left to right. We're just translating this. 2 times a number. Who can help me out with what that would look like? Alex. 2x. 2 times a number. I don't know what the number is, so I'm going to call it x. Is less than. What's that going to look like? A less than symbol. It doesn't say no less than. It says is less than. Very direct, very literal. 2 times a number is less than 8. Well, how can I write 8? 8. There's my inequality. 2x is less than 8. What do I need to do on both sides to get x all by itself? Divide by 2. And what is 8 divided by 2? X equals, no, x is less than 4.
So do you have to also graph it and then write it in set notation?
Set notation, all real numbers x, such that x is less than 4. I'm going to make my little number line with 4 in the middle, 5 and 6 to the right, 3 and 2 to the left. What type of dot am I going to make it for? Open. Is my arrow going to go to the left or the right? The left. There's my answer. Does that sound okay? It's not too bad, right?
Yeah.
You guys hear word problems, start freaking out. It's really not that bad. We've had the word problem conversation before. Okay. All right. Let's try it, everyone. The difference. Ooh, that's a good math word there. The difference of a number and 6 is no more than 2. The difference of or between a number and 6 is no more than 2. Oscar, help me. me out with this first part. The difference of a number and 6. What's that going to look like when we translate it into our equation form?
So basically, the difference is minus sign. And the number is, in this case, x. And then on the other side of the minus sign is 6.
Perfect. You guys agree with that? Me too. Can it also be 6 minus x?
No.
No. Difference does not work both ways. If I were to say the sum of a number and 6, I could say x plus 6 or 6 plus x. But the difference of a number and 6 means I'm differencing or subtracting 6 from that number. Okay? Again, we're just writing it the way that it's written. A number and 6. The number goes first, difference in the middle, 6 goes at the end. Great job. Is no more than. No more than. What does that look like? What symbol am I going to write for no more than?
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to. They have names. As entertaining as it is to watch you go like this, they have names. Less than or equal to. Is that sign right? I appreciate it.
2.
And how can I write 2?
2.
2.
6, 7.
All right?
No? Okay. No?
Absolutely
Everybody with me so far?
Yeah.
What do I want to do now to get x all by itself? Plus 6. What's 2 plus 6?
7.
8.
Did you just say 7?
All right, so my answer, all real numbers x, such that x is less than or equal to 8. My number line, I got 8, 9, 10, 7, and 6. What type of dot do I want to make it 8?
Closed.
Closed. Why closed?
Because it's equal to.
Because it could also be 8. What direction is my arrow going? Left. If we're ever unsure, maybe you're like, ooh, maybe I wrote the wrong symbol. What if it was supposed to be greater than or equal to? We could just do what we did with our function unit. Pick a point within this set, plug it in and test it out. See if it's true. I'm going to do that over here. Okay? So this red arrow tells me that solutions that will work with this are 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and so on forever, right? All of those values. Who could just pick one of those values that I can plug in? Isaac?
I don't want to eat.
7. Let's do 7. Okay?
But I do want to eat this one.
7 minus 6 is less than or equal to 2. Right? So I plugged in the 7. It's included in my solution set based on my graph. What is 7 minus 6? 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 2?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So I know that I set my inequality up correctly. Right? If I'd plugged in 10, what's 10 minus 6? 4. Is 4 less than or equal to 2? No. So that would not be right. But what if I plugged in 8? What's 8 minus 6? 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes, they are equal. So that counts. That's why my dot's closed on that one. Okay? Now you don't have to go through and check, but again, if we're taking a test and we are unsure, we're not feeling great about it, I would plug it in, see what you get. Okay? Quick show of thumbs, how much sense is this making so far? Thumbs up makes a lot of sense. Thumbs sideways makes some sense. Good. Okay. You ready for the worksheet? Yes. I'm not.
I'm not.
Let's do... Well, I'll take one off the worksheet to give you one less problem to do. It's kind of a lot to write, though.
What's that, Precious?
The difference...
What's the difference? does that mean?
We just did a difference problem. The difference of 3 times a number and 6 is greater than or equal to the sum of 15 and 24 times a number. Gross. It's a lot of writing. It's a multi-step inequality like we did yesterday. We're going to take this piece by piece. We're going to break it down and hopefully it'll make some sense with what we are doing.
No, you already messed up.
Actually, I'm going to let you figure it out. Take 60 seconds. See if you can come up with an inequality. Don't solve it yet. Just see if you can come up with it. See if you translate this. Because if you translate it wrong, I don't want you to do it all wrong.
What? Equal?
Take it piece by piece, Ben. Break it down piece by piece. Easy. Easy.
Oh, this is easy.
Good job.
Nothing. Or plus.
So 3x minus 6. 3x minus 3. No, 3 times the number. And the difference of 3 times the number is 6. 3 times the number is 3x. And then and 6 is 3x minus 6.
Oh, you suck.
No, because
literally also when you put the
3
difference.
times the number is 3x. So the difference of 3x.
I thought it would be like x minus
6.
That's exactly why.
Way too many questions. As long as you know what you're doing.
I was about to start playing fight with your ass.
Nice.
Advocacy lesson.
Thought you were all about.
Yeah,
I don't even know already.
let's go to after school. Another student told me that they didn't want to take their classes. Go see her after school. Yeah, just go talk to Mrs. Coach. Yeah,
No, it wasn't me. It was Christopher.
Of course.
The basketball team.
Yes. Mr. Guerrero.
Right?
No, it's because I didn't see it.
No, Christopher's on the basketball team, right? Yeah.
Yes, Guerrero. The one in my side.
everybody did that though.
Christopher Webb.
That's why I tell you to keep working it out all the way. 0 equals 0 is true.
So it's
Nice job. What did Aisha get?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's easy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I saw that.
All right. Let's break it down piece by piece. The difference of 3 times a number. Okay, I'm already confused. Let's start with this. 3 times a number. What does that look like? 3x. Okay. The difference tells me I'm subtracting. What am I subtracting here?
3x minus
6.
Who said it? Who said it?
Is greater than or equal to, that one's easy. Greater than or equal to the sum. What operation is sum? Addition. The sum of 15 and 24 times a number. What does that look like?
24x.
24x.
Oh yeah.
Look at how colorful. All right? Now, we got to solve it. Right? What's the very first thing I want to do here to solve this?
Combine the x's.
Combine the x's. How can I do that?
Minus 24x.
Minus 24x on both sides. Okay, what is 3x minus 24x? Negative 21x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 15. Oops. What do I do now? Add 6. What's 15 plus 6? 21.
21.
You guys were like 3 when that came out.
No, we were not. We were like 7. I was.
Or 6.
I think I would.
Precious. 6, 7?
What's the last thing I need to do here to get x all by itself?
Divide both sides.
Divide both sides by negative 21.
Don't you supposed to flip this?
What? What's 21 over 21?
What?
Negative. Sorry. 21 over negative 21. Negative 1. And that's what we get. Right? Jeevan, what's up? I flipped the sign.
The symbol, boy.
The symbol.
The symbol.
This symbol? I should flip it around? Why should I flip it around?
Because you divided by negative.
Divided by negative number.
That's right. Good catch. Flip the symbol. Because I divided by a negative number, my answer is x is less than or equal to negative 1. Jay, can I stop doing that wrong? No? Gotta make sure. What type of dot am I going to make a negative 1? Closed. Which direction is my arrow going? To the left. And there's my answer. All right? The majority of the worksheet is much easier than this.